Today's objective is different from previous days' objectives. Thus far, we've created our own code to build our own programs. Now, we need to learn to read and understand code that we have hacked into that somebody else has written, so we can discover the secrets to the malignant security passcode to send to ShadowFox. This is called decoding. We'll look at a string of code and convert it into understandable sentences that let us know what the function of the code is. Then we will repeat the process until we complete our objectives. The first thing I like to do is to look at my sprites to get a sense of what things have been coded. I see a keypad sprite. The keys or buttons on the keypad to be pressed, and a security access sprite. The last sprite is a button enabling us to send a message to ShadowFox. We won't look at that code because it's not the malignant's code. I just added it for you to send ShadowFox a message. So, I'll first look at the keypad sprite. This sprite makes up the background keypad that all of the buttons are on. I'm going to read the initialize code on the green flag. Can you read it and try to write down in a sentence or say out loud what it does? I'll add a comment with what I think it does, and you compare it with what you thought it would do. Ah, I almost forgot. You need to remix this project just like all the others. If you haven't, remix now. Here's what I have in my notes. Initialize code says when the green flag is clicked, go to the middle, 0, 0 is the middle, and go to the back layer, so the keypad doesn't overlap the buttons and cover them.